Have you ever scrolled through TikTok and wondered how some users gain millions of views while turning those views into real cash? In this video, I'm revealing the secrets behind using TikTok's massive audience to create a stream of passive income. Step 1. Research popular products. Let me demonstrate how individuals are earning thousands of dollars through TikTok. First, let's go to the TikTok homepage, where you'll notice that many videos are attracting millions of views. Our goal is to leverage this substantial traffic source to uncover profitable money-making possibilities. To begin researching and identifying products to sell, you should look up hashtags like number Amazon finds or number products you need. For instance, let's search for number Amazon finds by entering it in the search bar and clicking search. Then, you can select either the videos or the top section. I'll choose the top section to see the best results. As you can see, these videos are gaining millions of views. Some of them include the phrase, "link is in bio," and interestingly, one of these products is already on my orders list, and I'm awaiting its delivery. It's a water dispenser, which I find quite useful. Step 2. Choose a product, create a TikTok account, and produce content. To get started, simply identify a product that you find useful, create an informative video demonstrating it, and you could potentially attract millions of views like this one. This approach can lead to numerous clicks on your link and generate sales automatically. It requires only a one-time setup, after which you can earn passive income continuously. Let's dive into the details. As demonstrated, the video is a simple showcase of the product and its advantages. The link mentioned can be found in the account's bio section. Although the TikTok account may appear ordinary, you'll notice that they share videos about home gadgets, and all their products can be accessed through their link tree. By clicking on the Amazon finds, you'll be directed to their Amazon page listing all their products. Whenever someone makes a purchase, they earn a commission, as indicated here. Step 3. Set up a dropshipping store. In the dropshipping business, there are various tasks to manage, including product research and importing items into your online store. Handling all of these tasks manually can be quite hard, which is where automation tools come in and do the work. Step 4. Use automation tools. One such tool is AutoDS, an automation platform designed for this purpose. To fully utilize AutoDS, you'll first need to create an account and log in. Then, click Get Started and provide your email, name, and a password before clicking Join. You'll also need to select your selling platform. For instance, you can choose Shopify and then click Continue. Next, you can pick a subscription plan with a 30-day free trial available for $9. Once you log in, your dashboard will look like this layout. On the left side, you'll find navigation options for various sections. Currently, I'm in the Marketplace section, where you can explore a wide range of products. If you're unsure about what to sell, just scroll down to see AutoDS's list of best sellers. Step 5. Import products. To import a product to your store for immediate selling, simply click the appropriate button. The dashboard is user-friendly, featuring clear labels and icons. You can select product categories. For instance, if you click on electronics and gadgets, you'll see all the related products available. From my experience, I've encountered some products while shopping online that are featured here. This platform not only provides a variety of products, but highlights the top options you can begin selling right away. If you have a specific product in mind, you can select the shipping location, currency, and origin for your products. For example, shipping to and from the US is often the quickest option, which is crucial for customer satisfaction. Additionally, you can filter products by price or supplier and search for specific items. By accessing the Winning Products section, you can view a sorted list of top-performing items, which are updated daily. Now, let's check out the TikTok Spy section, where you can watch TikTok videos that can lead to profitable insights. The videos here are designed to help you discover the best ads and products to promote, rather than just for entertainment. A great feature is that refreshing the page will present new videos, ensuring that users don't all see the same content, which could lead to competition. You can sort videos by likes, impressions, call to action buttons, or even traffic sources. This section is invaluable for uncovering what's currently effective in the market, allowing you to start your business with the most relevant and trending TikTok content. Now you have a clearer understanding of how to find fresh products. I'm not only revealing how people earn thousands monthly on TikTok, but also showing you a professional approach. With AutoDS, you can set up a Shopify store and directly import winning products to sell right away. Creating a Shopify store is easy. Visit Shopify and click on Start Free Trial. You'll see an option to get your first 3 months for $1. Click that, and you'll be taken to the setup page where you can go to your settings according to your needs. Step 6. Design your store. If you're a beginner, select I am just starting. You can pick multiple answers, or skip if uncertain. Next, you'll indicate what you plan to sell. If you're dropshipping, select that option and click Next. You can then choose your shipping location, which I'll set to the United States, and click Next again. After this, complete your account setup by selecting your preferred option. I'll prefer to sign up via email. Enter your email, create a password, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Shopify Account. This will initiate the creation of your customizable Shopify store. The navigation bar is located on the left, and you'll likely begin by selecting a theme for your store. Click on Online Store to explore themes, and pick one that suits you. I recommend choosing a simple design. Remember, you can easily customize your store using drag and drop features. Additionally, you can generate logos for free using AI. Simply visit Bing Image Creator, enter a request like Create a logo for a home gadget store, and it will provide you with several options. For example, I received 4 logos to choose from, each with a name and slogan like Smart Solutions for Modern Living. If you want to use one, just click on it to download it to your device. Alternatively, if you prefer more customization, you can create a logo using Canva. So far, I hope this video has helped you understand how to use TikTok for organic traffic, discover products, and set up a Shopify store. Once your Shopify store is created, you can easily connect it to AutoDS to add products. Simply share your store link on your TikTok page and start posting content to attract traffic organically. You have the option to purchase the product yourself or source online videos about it to create your own video content. Thanks for watching today's video on how to make money using TikTok. I'd love to hear from you. What product are you most excited to promote on TikTok, and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips and strategies to boost your income. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.